and welcome to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to talk about write at least 50 words of Duolingo English test. Now here I would like to talk about few things which are really important. The first thing is that the task is of 5 minutes. Therefore we have good time to add good vocabs, answer to each of the question and avoid spelling errors. As I told you that this is the most scoring task, let us discuss the task with an example. So here we begin. Here the first thing that we have to do is we have to read the question perfectly. We have to understand what they are asking about. Like here there are two things. Describe a time you were surprised and another thing, what happened. So both these things you have to answer and you have to write at least 50 words. You can see that there is a word count below. You can consider that words and accordingly you can write your words and make the statement. Now here I have made the statement and I have written more than 50 words, but I tried to answer both the questions accurately. So just have a look. Now here I have completed my task. So the very first thing that you have to do is you have to write whatever comes to your mind or whatever good vocabs you have in your mind. Write everything and then give it a check. And check that whether you have not committed any kind of spelling mistakes or you might have made some typing errors. Check that. Take some time to do that, and always from 5 minutes you give at least 1.5 minutes to check your answer. So that is definitely a good habit. So that is what I am doing over here, and whichever mistake I am finding that I am correcting. So you can see that I am correcting my mistakes. Now as I'm scrolling it, you can read the complete answer and you can see what vocabs I have added and how I have presented my answer. I have answered both the questions here, how I felt about it, what happened when I received it. So everything I have explained in this answer. So I have expressed that time when I was surprised, how I felt about it. So I have described that situation. I have given a few words like not only surprise but also shock. So these are few things which will definitely give you a good score. So you can read it. You can read my answer, and accordingly you can also do in your practice test. So here I end my video. If you have any query, please do leave us a comment. Please do like if you find it really helpful, and do subscribe.